So I've got my water hose holder here. I just took it out of the box. I just wanted to show you and generally what it looks like before you put together. Then I'll put together and let you know how long it took me. Everything looks like it's just nicely put together. Everything's painted, welded. I don't see any problems whatsoever. This, of course, this is the black. These are the screws that it does come with, and it comes with a couple little tools. We got an Allen wrench and then a small wrench here. Looks really simple to put together. I really don't think it'll take me probably more than 10 minutes. But let's go ahead and put together, then I'll show you what it looks like. So I've got it all put together. It only took me right around 10 minutes. It's real simple to do that. What I like about it is we've got hooks on both sides. So you could put 2 different hoses. You can put some additional tools on the other side, maybe your sprayer, things like that. And at the bottom here, we do have some long spikes to get down the dirt really deep. So that way this is gonna go, it's gonna hold steady into the ground and not shift around. So I've got a perfect place for it on the side of my house. This works out great for me because I've got plenty of hoses around my house, and I've got plenty of room for I've got a 50-foot hose here, and then I got a 25-foot one on the other side, and they both fit fine. I love that it's all nice and black, and we've got touches of these knobs here on both sides and this ornamental wrought iron right up through here. Looks fantastic around my house, adds a little touch of class, I think, and it keeps my hoses from being on the ground collecting ants and even leaves and things like that. Real happy with it. Hope you found this helpful.